Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about modern small toilet design ideas. If you have a tiny bathroom and want to make it look modern and cool, you are in the right place. We have got some simple ideas to help you out. Let's start by saying that small toilets can be a bit tricky to design, but don't worry, with some clever ideas, you can make your small bathroom look fantastic. One cool idea is wall mounted toilets. These toilets hang on the wall and save your space. They look modern and make your bathroom feel bigger. If you are really short on space, think about concept corner toilets. They fit nicely in the corner where space is often wasted. With tiles and awesome for small toilets, they give your storage space under the sink without taking up too much room. Plus, they look modern and sleek. Maximize your space by using vertical shelves. These are like floating shelves on the walls. You can put towels, soap, and other stuff on them. If your small toilet has a shower, consider frameless glass shower doors. They make the room feel bigger and look modern. Use mirror and light corner tiles. Make your bathroom look brighter and longer. They reflect light and create a spacious feeling. For the door, think about using a pocket door. These slide into the wall when you open them, saving floor space. Get smart with storage. Use cabinets that go into the wall, organize under the sink, and shelves that fit over the toilet. Finally, keep your bathroom simple and modern with minimalistic decor using natural colors and simple design to make your small toilets look great. There you have it, simple modern small toilet design ideas to make the most of your space, whether you like wall mounted toilets, vertical shelves, or frameless glass doors. These ideas can help you create a stylish and practical bathroom. If you found these small toilet ideas helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more home important tips.